Good morning everybody. Today we are heading to Hyderabad ka nearest island. You must be thinking Hyderabad के पास island कौन सा है? Well, there is one island and that is where we are going today. It's called Bhavani Island. 4 hours drive from Hyderabad, around 267 kilometers. GPSRT says we'll be reaching there in 4 hours and 13 minutes. But yeah, बीच में हम लोग बहुत सारे हॉल्ट लेंगे. It's just a short drive from here. 4 घंटे का ड्राइव क्या होता है? तो बीच में ज़्यादा हॉल्ट्स लेते हुए जाएंगे. And I'm really excited to go to one place. कौन सा place है वो? I will let you know throughout the route.
अबे अंधा है क्या?
The streets are filled with idiots.
एक नहीं कई सालों से जारी है दरिंदगी का वो खेल. शिकार बन रहे हैं मासूम लोग और इसके बाद भी बेपरवाह है प्रशासन.
व्हीकल्स गवर्नमेंट की रोड, बाप की रोड, कभी भी कहीं से भी आ जाते हैं. किसी के बाप का डर नहीं है.
वीआईपी का बेटा बोले,
जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है?
Who's your daddy now?
मार साले का खोपड़ी तोड़ साले का.
धोखा धोखा धोखा. 65 मिनट्स लिखा था. वी बीन ड्राइविंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 40 मिनट्स. अभी भी 40 मिनट्स लिखा हुआ है. धोखा धोखा. पिछले 25 मिनट से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं और अभी 30 मिनट्स मोर बोल रहा है. 7 धोखा. What a beautiful road, what a beautiful highway. I mean, if we have these kind of roads पूरे के पूरे इंडिया में, trust me, you can just drive all the way from north to south without any issues because this is such a beautiful road. Minus the number of people driving on this road who don't know how to drive. कोई भी कहीं से भी आ जाता है, so you got to be very very careful if you're driving. I know these kind of roads you feel like going on very very high, but you have to be at a controllable speed because you know कभी भी कोई भी कहीं से भी टपक पड़ता है. Okay, so till now we have done 124 kilometers and we're waiting for 7. Well, 7 के जो marketing boards है वो बहुत ज़्यादा confuse कर रहे हैं आपको. It's 30 minutes, तो मतलब 60 minutes आपको कम से कम लगेगा. 10 मिनट पहले एक बोर्ड आया था जिसमें लिखा हुआ था 2 minutes to go. And 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं. We're still looking 7 कहाँ पे है. We're very very hungry right now. The only reason we're going there is obviously food अच्छा रहता है, but that coffee, trust me, वो coffee आपको हैदराबाद में भी नहीं मिलता है. Finally, 7 is here and yes, हमारी भूख का कुछ इलाज finally होने वाला है. So this is the place 7. I think most of the people who drive on this highway from Hyderabad to Vijayawada or Vijayawada to Hyderabad, they stop at this place. You've got some really cool, outlets out there. You've got Domino's, Subway रहता है, Coffee Day रहता है, and their own restaurant, which is also very, very good. Oh, I see Karachi Bakery and Thick Shake Factory as well. So yeah, time for some पेट पूजा. भूख लगी है, breakfast time. Let's go and yes, wait for that special coffee जो यहाँ पे मिलती है. Look at the number of cars which have stopped out here. And I want a place जहाँ पे थोड़ा shade हो, क्योंकि गाड़ी गर्म हो जाएगी तो problem हो जाएगी. And we found it. Yes. So we are here. Time for some पेट पूजा. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी हुई है. And that coffee is about to come, so get ready. Okay, so we finally made it to 7 right now, and luckily we found a table as well, because this place is very, very busy. आपको wait करना पड़ता है at time, and it's very, very noisy right now. I'm traveling with one of my friends right now, and his name is Pathetic Azim. Now, why we call him Pathetic Azim, I will let you know, because इसकी हरकतें ऐसी होती है. I'll give you an example. हाँ, वहाँ बीच में रख रहे गाड़ी. यहाँ बीच में रखना रे रोड के. तो ऐसा जीनियस का मैनेज कर सकता है. और गैरेज में रख. Alright, so I'm just done with my dosa, and it's now time to have my favorite coffee right now. And let's ask Pathetic Azim what will he have. Coffee लेगा, चाय लेगा? Trust me, this is like the best coffee you get in and around Hyderabad. At least Hyderabad के अंदर और बाजू 100 किलोमीटर में. So look at the froth in this one, and it's absolutely amazing. This is so strong that you don't really need a Red Bull if you're driving and आपको नींद आ रही है कुछ. अगले 2 घंटे आपको नींद की गोली देंगे तो भी you'll not be able to sleep. That's how strong this coffee is. Okay, so finally approaching highway, back on the road. That was almost a 45 minutes ka break which we took. We just have 200 kilometers more to go, so yeah, we were not in a hurry, so आराम से बिंदास बैठे हुए थे हम लोग वहाँ पे. And we had our favorite dosas वहाँ पे. उसके बाद coffee पी, and coffee पीने के बाद you're like totally refreshed. Back on Vijayawada highway. I know it's a fantastic drive all the way till Vijayawada, so कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. रोड पूरी जबरदस्त है. And we expect to reach Bhavani Island by 12:30 or maximum 1 o'clock right now. And yeah, super excited for another fun-filled day ahead. Let's go! Okay, so it's 11:10 right now and we've covered 161 kilometers, which means 100 kilometers to go. And right now it is getting hotter and hotter. 38 degrees is the temperature right now. And I'm sure धीरे-धीरे और ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाने वाला है. But हम हैदराबादीज़ हैं आजकल, हमारे को गर्मी की आदत हो चुकी है. And yeah, 100 kilometers. So I think we should be there in another hour from now if the road is like this. Let's go. Because so as I have been telling you, जिस भी लेन में मैं होता हूँ ना, वो लेन कभी भी नहीं चलती है. Have a look at this one. पिछले 3-4 मिनट से मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ और वो वाली लेन देखिए आप. Those lanes are happily moving, smoothly moving. लेकिन जिस लेन में मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, वो लेन कभी भी मूव नहीं होती है. सिंगल कितना डिस्काउंट दो ना भाई. नहीं देते. थैंक यू. नहीं देते कहते डिस्काउंट. क्या तो भी यार हो. Okay, you see those rocks out there? Well, that's another indication that Vijayawada aane wala hai. And yes, right now we've done 242 kilometers. GPS says 25 more kilometers to go. It'll take us 28 minutes more to reach Bhavani Island. So we're just 5 kilometers away from the place where we're supposed to go and take a ferry. And right now we've just entered the city and the moment you enter the city, you find these kind of roads. Left and right में आपको इतना greenery दिखता है. You've got some amazing, branding which is done out here on these street light ka poles which says I love Amravati with the Chief Minister's photo, Chandrababu Naidu's photo out there. We have the entry arch. Welcome to Vijayawada. 100 meters. Yes, I think this is the right which we are supposed to take. ये तो गली है. छोटा गली में जाना है अपने को. Okay, now it's looking like a big lane. ...200 meters, then we take a left turn. Alright, 70 meters, we take a right turn and we're just 200 meters away from our destination. 30 meters, we take a right turn. कहाँ जाना है? Just take a right. अबे राइट में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. ये है क्या? क्या वो है? शायद ये है. वो दिखता है रिजॉर्ट जैसे. ये क्या है? ये डब्बा है छोटा. वो होगा. सबको ऊँ बोलता क्या है? स्ट्रेट एंड राइट. राइट को कुछ दिख रहा है. हर एक को वो बोलता क्या रे? ये ना हेवी टूरिज्म बोटिंग. हाँ, इसके अंदर रहता. चलो. वेलकम टू भवानी आइलैंड. Here we are. Finally made it before 1 o'clock. I think it's 12:30 right now. इतना बड़ा ब्रेक लेने के बाद भी 12:30 बजे हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुंच चुके हैं. भवानी आइलैंड ఎంట్రీ అంటే ఐలాండ్ లో స్టే చేస్తున్నాం. దానికి కూడా ఎంట్రీ అలా రూమ్ లో. రైట్. ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి బండి? రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So if you're staying at the resort, you don't have to pay parking. TripAdvisor में मैंने पढ़ा था, इसलिए मैंने अभी 20 रुपए बचा लिए. I feel rich. पार्किंग में गाड़ी रखेंगे और यहाँ से बोट लेके रिजॉर्ट को जाएंगे. अरे अंकल हटाओ अंकल, कहीं को बीच में खड़े. ऑलराइट. हाँ, ये ऑटो भी आया. इंडिकेटर ऑन है अंकल का. Alright, we finally made it to Bhavani Island. Right now exact time is 12:35 PM. We were planning to reach here by 1 o'clock. Bindas धीरे धीरे आगे. And almost 7 where we had a breakfast. We stopped for 45 minutes. उतना तेज नहीं आया, आराम से आए. We were at a very, nominal speed. और फिर भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा because roads are beautiful. Right now, let's go to Bhavani Island.